stop scrolling. If you're still living paycheck to paycheck, this might be the video that changes your financial future. Because what if I told you that the reason you're stuck at $0 isn't your fault, it's the strategy you've been sold? I'm David Brooks, and I took my investing account from exactly $0, not 10, not 10, to $10,000 in just under a year. No trust fund, no lucky stock picks. Just a strategy that works even if you've never invested a dime before. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how I did it, step by step, no fluff. We'll cover how to shift your mindset so you stop self-sabotaging, the beginner-friendly system I use to grow consistently, how I manage risk and avoid the traps that kill most portfolios, and the one principle that changed the way I view money forever. Most people fail before they invest a single dollar, not because they're dumb, but because they think like consumers instead of builders. Here's the truth. If you're scared to invest $100, you'll never feel safe investing $10,000. The number isn't the problem, the mindset is. When I started, I was earning just enough to cover rent. I told myself I couldn't afford to invest, but what I was doing was avoiding responsibility. I had to stop thinking I can't lose money and start asking, how do I make money work for me? Your first investment isn't financial, it's psychological. Start thinking like an owner. This is the beginner system I used, 70-20-10. Here's how it breaks down. 70% for essentials, rent, bills, and food. 20% into a freedom fund, this is your investing capital. 10% for growth courses, books, mentorships, anything that levels you up. It sounds simple. That's because it is. But it forced discipline into my finances. No more wondering where my money went. In 6 months, I built up $1,200 in investing capital without increasing my income, just by tracking and sticking to this system. Now let's talk investing. Here's the system. Bucket 1. Long-term index funds, 50%. Bucket 2. Dividend stocks or REITs, 30%. Bucket 3. High upside plays like tech or crypto, 20%. Most people go all in on crypto or meme stocks. That's why they lose. I once put $500 into a startup token and lost 90% of it in 2 weeks. Lesson learned. Speculation is not a strategy. Build the foundation first, then take calculated swings. Get rich slow so you don't go broke fast. I didn't grow my portfolio by checking charts every day. I grew it by setting recurring investments and spending that energy learning instead. Every week, $50 automatically went into my index fund, rain or shine. Meanwhile, I spent that time studying business models, market cycles, and how actual wealth is built. It's boring, and that's exactly why it works. If this is already helping you rethink your whole approach, do me a favor. Hit that like button so more people stuck in the $0 cycle can see this. And comment $10,000 if you're ready to finally build a system that works. Want to know the real secret to keeping your gains? Having rules. Here are mine. Never invest money I can't live without for 12 months. Never chase trends I don't understand. Always exit when I hit my preset target. These 3 alone saved me from losing thousands. You don't need to gamble to grow. You need rules. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. Yes, that's James Clear, but it became my investing gospel. I realized if I didn't build habits and automation into this, I'd keep starting over every month. So I made investing part of my identity. I'm not trying to be rich. I am an investor now. That one mental shift changed my actions permanently. Let's recap this fast. Fix your mindset before you touch money. Use the 70-20-10 split to fund your investing. Apply the 3-bucket system to grow smart. Automate first, then get smarter. Use rules to protect yourself. Make it part of who you are. If you got value from this, subscribe seriously. You're the kind of person I make these videos for. And if you want the full case study, including the tools and apps I used, like and comment tools. Next video, I'll show you how I turned a $3K portfolio into a cash-flowing asset in under 60 days without a single trade. You don't need more hustle, you need better moves, and now you've got them.